All right, we're gonna make this quick and bang this. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. It's your boy Jabril, and today we're going super simple. Like super simple. We're going to still do protein pasta. In fact, this is our protein pasta of choice, which I have boiling right now. But we are going to do Cajun chicken, and I'm excited. So before we get too far ahead, if you're new, make sure you hit that sub button and notification button. Throw a comment down below. Share this with your friends and family. Let's do this. Alright, so like I said, we're going kind of quick today. I got my pasta going. I've had a long day. Bear with me. But I got some veggies that I'm going to throw in here. I got some squash, carrots, zucchini, and some broccoli. Fancy it up a little bit. But the main star is going to be our chicken. So, I have here some tendies. And we're going to pan fry them with some Cajun seasoning. I got some garlic and a little bit of W sauce. So I got some medium salsa that we're going to cook in our chicken. I know it's not Cajun, but the spices are there, the chilies and all that, and the tomatoes. You get the idea. So I got my glove on, and I'm going to dust these with Cajun seasoning. Okay, so I got my pan heating up. So what we're going to do is, we're going to mostly cook with the W sauce, the salsa, and the garlic for our chicken, but we need to get our chicken going first. Once our chicken is mostly done, then we'll add everything to it, let it kind of cook the rest of the way in the pan, and then we'll put it all together. Like I said, super simple today. We're not going extravagant too hard, but I still wanted to keep the whole ideas fresh with the protein pasta and whatnot. And like I said, I got plenty of other ideas coming up, so bear with me. Everything will be okay. It's still going to be delicious, and it's still going to taste good, and that's all that matters, right? Right. Alright, so our pan is hot. Let's add our chicken. Alright, so I added a little bit of water to the pan to help steam it, to help kind of move it along. But now we're going to add our stuff. So, I'm going to add a tablespoon of W sauce. Okay, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of minced garlic. Okay, and then about a quarter cup of salsa. Okay, and you don't need to let that go for too long. Just let it simmer, let it thicken up a little bit. And I got my chicken and my pasta off to the side. I'm going to toss the noodles in some roasted garlic Alfredo. Give it some of that cheesiness to it. Plus, I don't want to use heavy cream. So instead, I have a low-calorie sauce. That's going to be my heavy cream. That's going to be my cheese, anything. Take care of that. Alright, so I got my pasta. And I went ahead and put my sauce on it. Now, I'm going to add my veggies. Alright, so I got my chicken. And my sauce. And like I said, super simple. But let's try this out. Alright. Get a little bit of the chicken. A little bit of the noodles and the cheese sauce. Stay on the fork. Does not want to stay on. Alright. Cheers. Okay. So that is, that's pretty, ooh, that's spicy, but that's good. Diced tomatoes. Or diced tomatoes with green chilies, some type of acid like that. Basically any type of tomato, form of tomato, whether it's just plain diced tomatoes or whatever. This works. And then with the subtle cheese sauce, yeah, it really works. And so I added like a half cup of water just to help steam the chicken. Plus I was trying to move things along, keep the train moving, but this does not suck. Alright guys, well there you have it. Cajun chicken Alfredo. Super simple, super easy. Like I said, not hard, just something to throw together, but something delicious, something just to spice things up a little bit. But again, if you're new, make sure you hit that sub and notification button for me. Throw a comment down below, tell me what you guys think. Share this with your friends and family. And as always, peace out. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!